It's really hard to find a women's multivitamin that checks every box of what you want, but this one's really good. I was sent this. This is what it looks like on the inside, and I do have a couple here I'm gonna take just to show you up close the blend, the size of them. So not too hard to take, really, really simple. What I was first excited about was the fact that this has vitamin D and K. I've heard that vitamin D has better absorption when it's combined with vitamin K, and a lot of times you can't find that on multivitamins. So I liked that. I like that it has zinc and magnesium and everything you need, 21 different nutrients. But it also has veggie extracts too, which I don't know about you, but I could use a little help getting more vegetables into my diet. Plus it has everything that's good for your hair, skin, and nails, which I definitely am interested in. And then immunity. So there's echinacea, there's elderberry, and right now we're going into the fall when it is cold and flu season. So I'm definitely very glad it has some immunity boosting qualities in there. Okay, so serving size, you take 2. Super simple to take. I do them one at a time. And then that is it. Has all the information on it. Non-GMO. It's made in the USA. It's GMP certified, so it's really high quality. Has heart health, cognitive function, energy, and then of course the immune, skin, nerve. Oh, and also hormonal, which as someone in their mid 40s, I could use all the help with hormones that I can get right now. So this is great. One of the best multivitamins I've taken so far and loving it.